What's going on, guys? I'm sure a lot of you are aware of the situation regarding Flammable Maths. The channel has been hacked. What happened is either he clicked a bad link or got some spyware, which just goes to show this can happen to anyone. I happen to know he's very cautious about these things. But, someone got access to the account, logged in, and changed the password. Now, whoever hacked the account is currently disabling comments, deleting comments, and they're also making formerly uploaded videos that were unlisted public. So any new videos you're seeing on the channel, that's not actually him, and those aren't actually new videos. They were already on the channel, just not set to public. Whoever hacked the channel is just setting old videos to public. Anyway, if you want to help out, what you can do is you can make a Twitter post and tag at Team YouTube to bring some attention to the situation. He's already contacted YouTube, but as far as I know, no progress has been made on getting the channel restored back to him, which sucks. But to be fair, YouTube is a big ass website. So hopefully, if enough of us just kind of like annoy them about this particular channel being hacked, maybe it'll prompt them to do something, because YouTube channels get hacked every day. And like I said, this is a big ass website. But in any case, it is what it is. He still has access to the channel Trivial. That is him. He also has access to everything outside of his Google account. So his Patreon is still under his control. So you're not sending money to the hacker by supporting him on Patreon. So if you're a Patreon supporter, don't pull your support just because the channel was hacked. It's still him. But anyways, like I said, go to Twitter and tag at Team YouTube to bring some attention to this issue. And hopefully he gets his channel back soon. He's about to hit that big 100K milestone. So it's really bad timing. But anyways, I'll see you guys later, and let's hope for a speedy return to the real Flammable Maths later.